Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys now in another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today.
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello everyone, Michael Vandegrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with the market report for September 11, 2024. And I want to thank you all for watching, and I feel so grateful to be able to bring these numbers to you. And if you don't understand these numbers, I know some people outside of real estate aren't going to understand and why these numbers are significant to them. Feel free to reach out to me so I can explain those to you better on an individual basis. I want to keep these short and to the point. Active available homes for sale came in at 556, up 1 from the previous week, or less than 1% week over week, but up 24% year over year. New listings came in up 32% week over week, down less than 1% year over year. Solds came in down 22% week over week, and down 16% year over year. Pendings came in up just less than 1% week over week, but up 22% year over year. Median sale price came in at $251,450, showing 5% appreciation, which is about what we're seeing year to date or over the last 12 months. We're seeing about 5% appreciation. Days on market did speed up to 16 average, 6 median, versus last year at this time we were looking about 20 average, 7 median. So a little bit quicker than last year and quicker than last week. And we also saw the new listings that came in up 32% week over week, stripped. Active available inventory was up less than 1%. So we're seeing as soon as they're coming onto the market, they're going off the market. But closings happen every day, just the speed of it's the difference. Now, last 12 months, comparable homes sold came in at 4,305 versus last year at this time it was 4,473, showing we're about 3.8% slower than last year. And I think that's about where we're going to end. I thought we were going to come back to flat for the year. And remember, last year it was the lowest home sold in a decade and was a recession year housing-wise. So we're showing a little bit down still from that, but that still means 4,305 homes sold in Fort Wayne in the last 12 months. And we're seeing, based on the inventory we have just over a month's supply. We're still well short of that 6-month minimum for a balanced market, showing about 3.9 buyers per listing. So it still is a seller's market, and your home now is worth more than it's ever been. So if you're looking to make a move or need any advice on anything, feel free to reach out to us. Love to help you out. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.